This video will cover the ApeosPro print driver and specifically the advanced job properties. Here you can see a basic document properties screen. Select Job Properties. You can add and remove favorites by clicking on the gear icon. Select one of the options that you regularly use. Add into the display settings, then click OK. Job Settings. Under Paper, select Inserts, then select Insert at top of Job. Under Tray Media, you will be able to select your tray. Same goes for Insert at the end of Job option. Pages to apply special settings. Here we can add a front cover, back cover, add inserts, and adding exception pages. Select Add Front Cover, Do Not Print, would mean you have added a pre-printed front cover, or we can choose to print on the outside only, then make your paper tray selection for where your cover stock is loaded. Selecting Add Exceptions, we can control by page range, for example, page 2 or 5 to 10 or 12. And we could choose to force those to print in grayscale. You can see the job definitions being added here in the list, so you can confirm your settings. I can see no back cover has been added. So I can select Add Back Cover, selecting two-sided for it to print on both sides. There is an option to edit if we wish to change any of the settings. Some of the other options you can see in the list are stapling, hole punch, and folding. Here we can adjust the shift and the scaling as required. Under Layout, we can choose settings such as Booklet or Multiple Up, which allows multiple sheets. That concludes a quick overview of the advanced job properties.